Hey, this is Thurman, S.N.M Cleaning Service. Also one of the hosts of Clean Freaks podcast. Hey, we're gonna show you some SEOs, backlinks, how to use chat, how we use Chat.gpt for blog posts. Let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna run a blog. Go to create, add a title. Okay, and let's add a picture. Here, something that looks irrelevant. Okay, yeah, let's see. There's a good one here. Picture of office cleaning. This is very important here. We want to caption it. This helps with, like I said, the SEOs. So when Google crawls through it, crawl through it, it knows what the picture represents. Also, we have opportunity to link this photo to somewhere. We're not going to do it this time. Okay, slow this down. All right. We got a short blog post. Subject and a lot of the ideas from Chat GPT already. Hiring professional commercial cleaning company in Atlanta, Georgia is a great way to keep your business looking its best. S.N.M Cleaning Service is a great company to hire for all of your commercial cleaning needs. They offer a wide range of services from deep cleaning to janitorial services. Their experienced staff is highly trained and knowledgeable in all aspects of commercial cleaning. They use the latest technology and products to ensure your business is clean and safe. They also offer green cleaning solutions to help reduce environmental impact. S&M is committed to providing excellent customer service and satisfaction. They are reliable, trustworthy, and always willing to go the extra mile to make sure your business is clean and safe. With their competitive rates and quality services, S&M is the perfect choice for all, excuse me, of your commercial cleaning needs in Atlanta, GA. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to make a external backlink here for Atlanta, Georgia. All right. This is Discover Atlanta. We get a lot of ideas of entertainment, sports, just nightlife, different things from this website. So we're going to use this as an authoritative link. Okay, just as simple. When someone reads this, and or also Google as well scrubs through this, they will show that we're using a credible a website, the Discover Atlanta, in our blog post, and you see how it's highlighted there. Okay. And here we will, let's see, we're just gonna make this one short and sweet. Let's put this in the category to help with our SEOs. So when someone's been searched, they know office cleaning service, janitorial service. Check it, make sure everything looks good and reads good. Office cleaning, Atlanta, Georgia. Make sure our backlink is correct. Discover Atlanta. Oh, okay. Also, I forgot to mention this. We want to those open up in a new window. So when they X out, they will always come back to the original blog post or website. And that's it. And just that simple. It was posted to our Facebook page, the Google page, Twitter, and Instagram page. Hey, thank you. This is Thurman, Clean Tricks Podcast, S&M Clean Service. Lock in with us.